Today we are going to discuss the starting up procedure for one of the most important equipment in the field of oil and gas, which is the centrifugal pump. As we see here, the centrifugal pump composed from motor and the main casing, discharge line, suction line. You have here a strainer for the pump, and you have here the casing clearly. Also, you will find a pressure gauge at the discharge. So when you start this pump, you will monitor the discharge flow. So how we can start the centrifugal pump safely and in an organized way? The pre-check items related to starting up the centrifugal pump. First step, the mechanical alignment and the guard in place. Mechanical alignment and guard in place. The second item, lubrication, oil level and the seal flush is working properly. The suction valve is open. Here you have the suction valve, which ensuring the flow of the liquid to casing of the pump. Discharge valve partially closed. So when you start the pump and before you press the push button of starting up the pump, it is recommended to keep the discharge valve partially closed. Utility, very important when you are starting the centrifugal pump, like cooling water, like sealing and flush, something like that. Okay, you have to prime the pump to ensure that the casing of the pump is fully filled with the liquid. Vent any trapped air, which is a very important step to vent any trapped air inside this casing. Never start the pump dry. Put your mind all time, never start the centrifugal pump dry. Push the button start for the motor. Monitor the amperage related to this motor. What is the status? Because you have a high value for this amperage trip. You are near, you are normal, okay? Check the vibration, the noise, and the temperature. Slowly open the discharge valve. This is now you have your pump running, okay? About checking stabilization of the pump. Check the suction, discharge pressure, monitor the recommended flow, because in some cases the centrifugal pump working with minimum flow. You shouldn't go lower this minimum flow. Check the vibration and the temperature and verify that there is no any cavitation. Cavitation happen when you did not fill the casing of the pump with full liquid. Okay, monitor the bearing, monitor the seal condition, ensure stable flow, ensure stable pressure, okay, and maintain adequate net positive suction head at the suction of the pump. Appreciate your listening. Thank you.